Here is a close look at the SlimFast High Protein Vanilla Cream Smoothie Mix. This stuff works very well, definitely provides you with a lot of protein, and it also tastes good. I'm a big fan of the vanilla flavor. I think it is one of the best. I'll give you a closer look at the back and all the information back here. So you will get 5 grams of fiber. There are 12 grams of protein in here. I'd recommend mixing it with milk, and that'll give you around an extra 8 grams. So you get a total of 20 grams of protein per smoothie. There are 12 servings per container if you're curious, and because it's a 2-pack, you'll get 24 grams total. Here is a look at the mix, and it does come with this really handy scoop here. Very nice and easy to use. The mix smells really good too, I will say that. Definitely an excellent product. It's very easy to mix as well. I use this every morning. I think it's best to use it twice a day, however. That's just how often I personally use it. But overall, this is definitely a product that I would recommend. It's been doing wonders for my life and for my health, and it tastes really good too. It's an excellent start to my morning, and I would definitely recommend it.